Hello everyone, today we will explore Radisson Blu Resort and Spa Udaipur. This resort is crafted with luxury and love. This is outside view of this resort. And their reception area give royal look. Their interior creatively crafted. Now let's take room tour. The room is very well organized. And celebrate comfort, fun and life, and recharge yourself with exclusive services. This is ground area view from room. And here you can take varieties of delicious food, both countryside and international. And they provide very good facilities of bedding halls like Fateh Sagar Ball Hall and Swaroop Sagar Hall. Live your memorable and happiest moment with Radisson Blu. Thank you for watching this video. Please do consider to subscribe my channel. Keep watching for more videos.